Look how far I come from. No left me now. That's all exclusive by body sweaty. Must get better. Stick a bit. Woman, if you listen. Yeah, good morning. I don't know what the one done. Yeah, as what me I say. Them I say, cartel. I say, alkaline are the king. But I mean, I know where some man get them information from. That's what I say. But me say all Gaza fans come together. You see me I say? Yeah, come together. Yeah, we know what new DJ in the making. And them have them fans out there. But me I say, yo, Cartel are the general. You see me? Cartel are the real dancehall. Head, hand and foot. That's what me I say. And mind for dancehall. Straight. That me I say. Yeah man. Popcorn and all them artists. Yeah, them do them thing to Tommy Lee. That's what me I say. Bounty Bean and them man do them thing. But it's a vybz cartel. Vybz cartel are the man for dancehall. Cause if none of them artists are, we are hype up now. Flip up. Get locked with. You nah go see no people are real for them like how people are real for cartel. That's what me I say. Oh. Every day you can't be the same now, so you're too lies, so you're there, you're broke, folly when you're there, you're be a sign. You really woulda do me that, after me tell you say me love you, girl. Can't buy a Benz or a house for you, but me give you everything when me have.